This is a demonstration of automated transcription using the Speechmatics server in Transana. The first time you want to use this feature, you will need to go to the Speechmatics website at speechmatics.com and sign up for a free account. Once you've signed into your account, you need to get your API key. Find a box labeled Start Using API or Create API Key. There, you can generate a key and give it a name. You need to remember that API key to load into Transana. The easiest way to do that is to copy it into your clipboard. Now we'll switch to Transana. I'm going to add a transcript to an existing episode. I'm going to call my transcript Speechmatics server, and I'm going to select Speechmatics server from the drop-down list under Automated Transcription Methods. Now I'll press OK to trigger the automated transcription process. The first page gives you a confidentiality notice. It warns you not to send data to the server unless you have IRB approval if your data requires that. If you cannot accept those terms, you should not proceed with automated transcription using the Speechmatics server. If these terms are acceptable, check the box and press the Next button. Now you select the language used in your media file. If your media file is in English or Chinese, you'll have some additional options related to regional language variations. For English, these include Australian English, British English, and US English. You can select Standard or Enhanced Accuracy. Enhanced Accuracy takes a little longer and costs slightly more if you exceed your monthly free transcription level with Speechmatics. You then enter your Speechmatics API key if this is your first time using the Speechmatics server. Transana will remember it after that. Once that's all in place, press the Next button. Transana then needs to perform audio extraction on the file because we're just sending the audio to the Speechmatics server, not the video, to speed things up. When this process is complete, press Next, and Transana will perform the automated transcription. Note that if you have already submitted this file for automated transcription, Transana will not automatically resubmit the file. If you changed the settings earlier, you may want to press the Resubmit the Automated Transcription Request button to submit the file with the newer settings. It takes a couple of seconds for it to get started as it's making its connection to the server, but you can see that there's a progress bar indicating that the automated transcription process is moving ahead and giving you an indication about how long it will take. This is a fairly short file, and you can see that it's already done. When the automated transcription process is finished and you press the Finish button, Transana will display the automated transcription. You'll notice that there is a transcription key that indicates that different colors represent different levels of confidence in the transcription. Unfortunately, some words in the transcript where the automated transcription program indicates over 90% confidence will be incorrect, and some words with lower levels of confidence will be correct. We suggest that you consider the automated transcript to be a rough first draft. You may want to go through it, playing your media file as you go, and clean it up. Alternately, some researchers only make corrections to sections of the transcript as part of the selection, coding, and categorization process that makes up analysis in Transana. There's now a button in the document window toolbar that changes character formatting to black so that you can go through and very quickly reformat all of the correct text that is in that color and to change the text color of other words that you have corrected.